Running a factory can be pretty hard. The complex nature of the operating cycles, with so many things you need to focus on, from purchasing the raw materials, all the way to distributing the articles, can feel pretty overwhelming. Then, with operating cycles for manufacturers being typically longer than those for wholesalers, you always have to deal with the pressure of expense control. And last, but not least, you have to protect your investment, for which you need the right financing knowledge and proper planning for economic cycles. Trying to figure out everything on your own is quite risky. Did you know that most successful manufacturers seek external management assistance and support, such as performance improvement consulting? At Blueribbon Consulting, we focus on improving the main key components of your manufacturing operation: cost structure and profitability, supply chain and production processes, distribution and sales. Together, we'll define your business objectives, needs, and constraints so that we can develop data-driven solutions based on field research and help you implement this competitive strategy at every step in order for you to make important adjustments to essential processes to make them more efficient, eliminate or reduce waste and any other obsolete or inefficient processes, adopt newer and more modern systems and technologies. Our employees have a combined 30 years of experience enhancing the performance and growth of factories in Rwanda. We're confident we can help you too. Schedule a call today to see how we can improve your manufacturing operations. Blueribbon. Build the factory of your dreams.